hello, hi, how are you? I am back again, Wonky Original. I need a haircut. I need to get this bad boy fixed. Anyway, I'm back again because I have the brand new Birchbox, but it's not a box, it's a bag. It's a brand new Birch bag. And let me put this down. And I am like instantly smitten with it. I opened the box and I was like, what is this? And then I was like, oh my God, it's Birchbox. So here it is. It's a very pretty bag. I really like it. I'm loving the glittery star. I'm loving the fact that like I can use it as a makeup bag. It's not like a box. I don't have to put it in recycling. I can just use it and enjoy it. And it's so festive and pretty. Hello. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox it. Well, I'm gonna unbag it. We're gonna do it together. And yeah, I'm super excited. As always, if you want to sign up to Birchbox, there is a link below. I think there's a discount code off your first box. I'm not sure. Have a look. All will be explained. Okay, let's get going. Oh, and in a second we'll do the January sneak peek. I cannot believe we're talking about January 2020. That's bananas. Oh my God. Oh, it's good. Yeah, in a minute we'll do that. Okay, how is my fringe? Oh, the first thing we've got is, I think, just an extra freebie, but it's Candy Kittens More Than Just Pretty Taste. Wild strawberry. I love Candy Kittens. Oh, they're so good. They're like free from like palm oil and vegan, and they're gluten free. And they're like, I think like they're made with like real fruit things. But I always enjoy a Candy Kitten. So these are the wild strawberry flavors. And I'm guessing they're just a little Christmas extra, but I will enjoy them. They'll probably be my favorite thing, knowing me. No, actually, this is my favorite thing. This is Rituals, and it's the ritual of, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it is a nurturing shower oil in the scent of Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's delightful. We're all going to enjoy this. This is 75 ml. Rituals, always gorgeous. Such a luxury, lovely product. So I will enjoy that. Next, oh, a Birchbox brush. It's a little, I think it's an eyeshadow brush. Sometimes I get confused. People have so many brushes these days. But I'm going to use this for eyeshadow. And yeah, it's a little Birchbox brush. And yeah, I will enjoy that. I was thinking today, I need to wash my eyeshadow brushes. But now I might put it off by a couple of weeks because I can just use that instead. Forgive Me Susie, what's this? I have no idea who these people are, but it's called Forgive Me Susie. Let me show you the colours. Look at these colours. Forgive Me Susie. I have no idea who these people are, but gorgeous colours. I mean, let's dunk fingers in. That's the gold. This is like an apricot colour. I should really do it where I'm like less hairy, like on the inside of my wrists. They're gorgeous colours. I'm going to really enjoy them, and they look like they're really nice pigmented too. Got mica in, just so you know. Not talc, mica. Next thing we've got is Polar, which I think we've had in Birchbox before. And this is the Northern Light Soothing Cream. So this is a face cream, 100% natural, rich with vitamin C, 100% natural salicylic acid. I will enjoy this. Thank you very much, Birchbox. This is a nice little box, isn't it? Like, we've got the bag, we've got the Rituals, we've got the face cream, which is amazing. I'm really liking these colours a lot. We've got the Candy Kittens, obviously my fave. We've got the eyeshadow brush, and we're still not done. What's next? Oh, Daily Concepts multi-functioning soap sponge. Oh, soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Simply wet skin and soap sponge with warm water. Cleanse skin, use on face or body depending on comfort level. This is bananas. I'm gonna have to investigate this. So it's a sponge. Oh, that's so weird. It's a sponge and a soap. Oh. Smells nice. It's weird, you can see the soap and you can see the sponge, and you're not quite sure where one starts and the other one finishes. Ooh. I will try that though. Soaps are hot right now, like everybody's all about the soaps. Oh, cool. Percy and Reed Flexible Hold Session Hold Hairspray. Very nice. Percy and Reed hairspray, always a delight. And that is the bag. That is the bag. Oh, let's do the January sneak peek. Let's get in there. Okay, let's get the soap. Let's get the eyeshadow off me. I've turned into a mucky pup in the last like 2 seconds. First of all, actually, let's do some prices. So the Rituals is worth £8.50. The Percy and Reed, oh, but that's for the full size thing. The Percy and Reed is worth £12.50 for the full size one. The Polar Northern Light Soothing Cream, that's worth £38, but that's for the full size thing. Oh. The Forgive Me Susie is full size and it's worth £9. The Birchbox eyeshadow brush is full size and it's worth £4. And the Daily Concepts sponge soap thing is again full size, worth £6. Amazing. Anyway, January sneak peek is the Choose Your Own, the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. So you've got 3 shades to choose from. Just Do It, Pear Pressure and Blind Date. These 3 soft highlighters were selected for your January box by someone very special. Stay tuned to find out who. Well, that's interesting. So that is January 2020. We're going to get the Beauty Crop Glow Milk highlighters. 3 different shades. Which one will you get? And also, if you are a subscriber and you want to win £250 worth of Cowderly products, which are always a delight, just take a photo, tag, share, you never know, you might win. So that is kind of everything. Yeah, I'm super happy. I mean, I love this bag. It's so nice. We've got the Percy and Reed, amazing. We've got the Polar, wonderful. Rituals, I adore. I'm loving these colors. I'm very excited about the soap spongy thing, because I like a soap. I know soaps have got a bad rep, but I'm into them. I think if you just get a really nice soap, they're not drying and they're really sustainable and everything. I don't know. I like them anyway. I like a good soap. We've also got the Birchbox eyeshadow brush and best of all, not really, but I'm super excited that we're gonna get candy kittens, because I love me a candy kitten. I'm gonna have one now. And I can confirm these are delicious. Anyway, that is the Birchbox Birch bag. I hope you like it, and if you want to sign up, the link is below, and it was lovely to see you, and I hope you're feeling festive, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.